Good evening, class. Myself, Umesh Rathod, lecturer in mechanical engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we will learn about ergonomics. Ergonomics is a branch of science which deals with safe working environment to the workers of an industry. Of the subject Industrial Engineering, subject code 3351904. Let's start with introduction. So what is ergonomics? The science of ergonomics helps to study the effect on health and safety of working environment. So which type of working environment we have and what is the effect on our health and safety can be studied in ergonomics. Bad working conditions affect the productivity adversely. If the person work in a bad working condition which have no light, level of noise nuisance, atmosphere, so it is adversely affect the productivity. While good working condition make the workers take more interest in their job. If we provide better atmosphere, better light, reduce the noise level, the person can done their job very effectively and very enthusiastically. The worker interest in their job is depending on comfort and safe. Every work the person which type of work he can do depend on its comfortable and safe. Therefore, many factors are considered for designing the workplace based on consideration of science known as ergonomics. So for designing the workplace, the science is used, also known as ergonomics. Worker gets physical and mental strain while doing the work. If the person carried out the same work continuously or for a long time, there will be a physical strain in their muscles and a mental strain in their minds. These are the factors are considered in ergonomics. The knowledge of psychologist, it's for mental ability. Anatomy, it's about muscle power. Psychologist, behavior. Anthropologist, it's depend on body structure, and engineers are used in ergonomics, and it's called a human engineering. So what is the definition? Definition says that ergonomic may be defined as a study which provide information of relation between man and its working condition. So what we can write up in our definition, a branch of science that provide information of relationship between man and his working condition. Job and machineries arising between machine and machine interface are solved by this science by applying to knowledge of anatomical, psychological and physiological. Now, what are the objective of ergonomics? The first one is to improve human well-being. If we provide them a better working area, it will behave with the every work he do. To increase the productivity, if we provide them a better working conditions, safe workplace, it increase productivity by providing maximum satisfaction, as we discussed. Ergonomics try to reduce illness. If the person work in safe condition, there will be a reducing its illness, risk of injury and accident to the workers. To improve the machine specification when required. If the machine are placed at a specified location with safe working condition, it can be easily specified and modified whenever it's required. To improve the man and machine relationship, as we discussed in our definition. Now, what are the application of ergonomics? To develop lighting and climate, noise level and ventilation which may provide comfort to the worker at their workplace. So it's an implementation of new level of safety with atmosphere. If temperature of workplace workplace is high, it reduces physical workload of the worker. If the person have a fever, its ability to run work is reduced or less. So if the temperature of workplace is high, it reduces its physical work level. To reduce the effort of particular movement by improving posture of the workers. It's depend on our body structure and how we can handle the work. To improve reading of instrument display by enhancing psychosensation function of the reader. So it's one type of display or mental ability to with the posture display, its ability to absorb learn everything. To provide machine levers and control for making its handling easier. Levers are useful for what safe working condition at a safe place and for better control. To utilize the spontaneous and stereotype reflection at their best. To encourage them, providing sensor scheme bonus for it as a reflection of their best. To prevent the effort of recalling unnecessary information. Unnecessary information talking we can reduce. To achieve higher productivity, obviously it increases to achieve better design of machine. If the worker can design the machine in safe place where better lies, low noise is there and better working environment is there, it develop a better design of machines. To increase safety of worker by reducing the accident and to reduce labor turnover. Thank you student. Thanks for listening me carefully.